fearlessness, purity in mind and thoughts, cultivation of spiritual knowledge, charity, self control, sacrifice, study of sacred scriptures, austerity, simplicity, non violence, truthfulness, freedom from anger, renunciation, peacefulness, aversion from fault finding, compassion for all beings, humility, gentleness, modesty, absence of covetousness, vigor, patience, forgiveness, steadfastness, purity, free from malice and envy, and absence of the desire for honor. These are the divine qualities found in those with divine nature. Hypocrisy, arrogance, pride, anger, harshness, and ignorance. These are the qualities and conduct of those with a demoniac nature. Divine qualities lead to liberation, while demonic qualities bind one to worldly existence. Do not worry, O son of Pandu, for you are born with divine qualities. O Parth, there are two kinds of beings in this world, those endowed with divine qualities and those possessing demonic traits. I have already explained the divine nature in detail. Now listen as I explain about the demonic nature. Those with demonic nature cannot distinguish between right and wrong actions. They lack purity, good conduct, and truthfulness. They say that the world is unreal, without any foundation, and without a God governing it. According to them, creation is merely divine by lust and desire. Following such conclusions, such demonic people who are lost in themselves remain trapped in their selfish desires. Engaging in cruel and violent activities, they pose a threat to the destruction of the world. Such individuals are consumed by insatiable lust, false pride, and hypocrisy. Blinded by their own illusions, they pursue fleeting pleasures and engage in impure and immoral activities. They believe that fulfilling desires and indulging in sensory pleasures is the ultimate goal of life. Thus, they remain entangled in endless cravings that persist until death. Driven by lust and anger, they remain bound with unending desires. They accumulate wealth through unethical means to gratify their senses. They think, today I have gained so much wealth, and in the future I shall acquire even more as per my plans. This much fortune is already mine, and it will continue to grow in future. I have killed my enemies, and I shall eliminate those who remain. I am the supreme sovereign ruler. I am the enjoyer. I am so powerful and happy. I am wealthy. I belong to an elite family, surrounded by aristocratic relatives. No one else can be equal to me. I shall perform some charity and sacrifices, and thus experience even greater joy. In this way, deluded by ignorance, those with demonic nature remain lost in illusion forever. Due to their endless desires and fantasies, such misguided individuals become confused and disoriented. Trapped in their own web of delusion, they are constantly engulfed in worries. Due to their growing attachment to sensory pleasures, they are doomed and ultimately fall into hell, bringing their own downfall. These arrogant and materialistic individuals, consumed by pride and wealth, engage in religious practices merely for show and pretension. Their rituals, driven by ego and a thirst for making a social impression, lack genuine spiritual devotion and disregard established principles outlined in scriptures. Overcome by arrogance, power, vanity, lust, and anger. They even develop envy towards me, the Supreme Lord. Due to their malice, they oppose my divine presence, who is dwelling within their own bodies and in bodies of all other beings. Such envious and cruel beings, the lowest in mankind, are cast by me into various demonic and inauspicious species of life, only to remain in misery forever. Such ignorant fools continue to take repeated birth in various demonic species and completely fail to attain me. O son of Kunti, gradually they sink lower down to the most abominable type of existence. There are three gates leading to this hell: lust, anger, and greed. Every wise person should renounce these three completely, for they lead to degradation of the soul. O son of Kunti, one who escapes these three gates of hell follows the path of self-realization and gradually attains the supreme destination. Those who disregard scriptural teachings and act according to their own whims, driven by impulses of their minds, do not attain perfection, happiness, or the supreme abode. Therefore, a person should study the scriptures and understand the distinction between righteous and unrighteous actions. Thereafter, one must perform auspicious actions so that he may attain the ultimate goal of life, the supreme abode.